Are you looking for the best waterproof pool lights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best waterproof pool lights.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the LyLmLe Rechargeable Submersible Pool Lights. The LyLmLe Rechargeable Submersible Pool Lights are a cost-effective and convenient way to add color and light to your pool or fountain. With a high-capacity rechargeable battery, these lights are 5 times brighter than other rechargeable submersible lights. They feature super magnets that allow them to be placed on any surface, and the remote control allows for easy color changes, brightness adjustments, and timer settings. These lights are completely waterproof and have a long-range distance of up to 200 feet. They are versatile and can be used for various occasions, events, and decorative purposes. Moving on at number 4. We have the Purheme Rechargeable Submersible Pool Lights. The Purheme Rechargeable Submersible Pool Lights are bright and rechargeable, using fast charging technology with a large capacity rechargeable battery that can work 50 to 150 hours. The lights are suitable for uneven surfaces and support underwater installation with a full waterproof IP68 rating. It comes with a remote control, built-in magnet, and 16 color-changing LED lights that can be controlled with a push button or remote. It is an ideal ambient light for swimming pools, ponds, bathtubs, fountains, fish tanks, and night lights. At number 3, we have the Floating Solar Pool Lights with Flame Effect. The floating solar pool lights are solar-powered and require no battery changes, offering an energy-saving solution. With multi-mode options, the lights can project a warm glow by simulating a flickering candle in the dark, making it perfect for night light, decoration light, or lighting up a bedroom. The waterproof and durable ABS material ensures the light can withstand all kinds of weather and can be used for outdoor events like parties, camping, and festivals. It is an ideal holiday decoration light for special occasions like parties, and also suitable for fixtures such as gate posts. At number 2, we have the LyLmLe LED Pool Lights with App Control. The LyLmLe LED Pool Lights are a great addition to any pool with its low-voltage system and smart app control. The lights offer a variety of solid colors and dynamic colorful lights that pulsate and change along with environmental sound and music. The outdoor pool lighting kit is made of ultra-durable PC material, making it highly resistant to cracks, heat, and chemical corrosion. With flexible installation, you can easily adjust the bulb's height without lowering the water level in your pool. And finally, at number 1, we have the Blibly Solar Floating Pool Lights with RGB colors and waterproof design. The Blibly swimming pool lights are solar-powered, eliminating the need for charging and providing an eco-friendly solution. With 16 RGB colors and 4 illumination modes, these lights can be controlled by remote from up to 13 feet away, making them perfect for home, pathway, garden, swimming pool, pond, and party decoration. The lights are super waterproof with an IP68 rating, so they can be used indoors and outdoors, even in the rain or swimming pool. These inflatable floating LED lights provide stunning effects, making them the best choice for lighting up your swimming pool.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.